Let us now meet our expert of the day, Gaurav Chaudhary. He's better known as Technical Guruji. With around 20 million subscribers on YouTube, he is one of the biggest tech YouTuber and influencer in India. Let's learn from him about branding.
Hello friends, my name is Gaurav Chaudhary, better known as Technical Guruji from my YouTube channel Technical Guruji. In this series, you have already learned about creating an online presence for your offline business. Now the question is that, how do you make your business stand out from the others? The answer is by building a very strong brand for your business. तो जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. The first question is, what is branding? Now, branding helps create a unique identity for your business. It separates you from the competition. So, how do you create a unique identity or branding for your business online? The first step in creating an identity for anyone or anything is a name. And not just any name, a uniquely identifiable name that makes it easier for others to remember you or your business. This is true for offline as well as online businesses. Also, the name of your business needs to clearly tell people what they can expect from it. For example, I named my first YouTube channel as Technical Guruji because I wanted to help people learn new information about technology in a language that they could easily understand. Also, with a unique or a different name, customers can easily find your online business profile on search engines or social media platforms. Now, which one do you think is easier to find? Gaurav's online channel or Technical Guruji? Now, of course, Technical Guruji. Now, similarly, when you are building a website for your business or creating an email account to interact with your customers or suppliers, having a custom domain name always helps you establish a unique identity for your business and make it look more professional and credible as well. Now, the second important element about your branding and professional identity is the logo of your business. Let's take a look at an example. Let's say you run a clothing brand that sells online to customers using an e-commerce portal. Now, does this brand sell casual lifestyle items for younger customers? Or does this brand sell formal items for working or business professionals? Does this brand sell special items for sports people or fitness enthusiasts? Or does this brand sell customized tailored items for festivals and special occasions like weddings? Now, a logo helps convey the overall nature or character of your brand. Your logo can be a combination of an image and some text, most likely your brand name, and the same image and text can be used to create many different logos based on the fonts and the color schemes you choose. Now, what combination of the above you choose, it helps create that unique identity for your brand. Now, you will use your logo everywhere. You have to use that on your website, on your business cards, the packaging of your products, and your promotional material. Now, always reminding the customers about what your brand is and what does it stand for. There are many online services and tools that can help you create a custom logo for all your brand and business needs, or you can do it by yourself. You can find these resources online, go through their websites to find out more about their features and choose the one that best suits your needs. I hope this information will help you take the first step towards building your own brand and creating a unique professional identity for your business. As you start using the internet and digital tools for your business, you may have questions or even want to learn more. You can use popular online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Udacity, and many others to learn about digital tools and even more. There are many creators on YouTube and other social media platforms who also share helpful content on these topics across many languages. You can also explore Google's completely free learning solutions for small businesses, Google Digital Unlocked website, and Google Primer mobile app to continue learning about everything from creating online presence for your business to social media marketing and online commerce, as well as branding and marketing skills for your business in very simple and easy terms. So while this series comes to an end for now, your digital journey has just begun. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं व्यापार की बात डिजिटल के साथ. नमस्ते डिजिटल.